What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video on the YouTube channel. And this is a scratch tutorial on how to go up, down, left, and right really smoothly. So let's stop talking and get straight to it. Okay, guys. So first step is that what you want to do is paint a spirit. And you want to do whatever you want with it, quite literally do whatever you want. So I'm just going to try and draw something. I'm not that good at drawing though. This will be the player. Okay. You know, it's not that bad for... Okay, it's quite bad, but also not that bad. As I said, I'm not that good at drawing. So if there's any hints on how to draw, please put it in the comments of this video, because I suck at drawing. Flies everywhere in the house. Well, studio, but... Okay. Do that. There. Oh, well, that's kind of... Did it fall out there? Yeah. No, what is there? I need to redo that hand. That feels like something you'd seen out of a nightmare. That stinks. But that just looked goofy. Okay, I can't really talk about my drawing. Wait, that's gonna add, like, you know how some teachers have like one more focus. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. And then the head. It's good enough. Okay, the eyes. I can do better than this, but just not on PC. So I'm just gonna do the eyeballs just like that. That sound good. And I'm not leaving them all blue. I gotta get black. Oh yeah, does it make him look confused? And then it's gonna have a black mouth with it like a line. Oh, look how good it is! Now I need the pants or trousers, but I got the pants sometimes. And this stuff.
I'm gonna see you soon.
What else? Oh yeah, that's looking good. So good. Slay. Okay, my mouth is about here. So let's just oh yeah, hair, we need hair. Hair's probably the easiest part for me on here because all you have to do is literally just like scribble for hair. That's all you gotta do. Okay, keep it going, just like that. Hi, Harper.
Yes, I made a strawberry. It looks fat, doesn't it?
True. Okay, don't interrupt me when I'm recording, please. Okay, just like that. That looks so good. Okay, let's change the color to a solid one. Okay, you know what? Just really, yeah, that's good enough for our character right now. Okay, so let's just select it, scale it down, let's put it into the middle. There we go, in the middle. And now the coding part. It's quite a long script, so let's just get over with it. You can add some more things if you really wanna, but I'm just gonna like do what I'm meant to do in this tutorial. Maybe I'll do like some more tutorials about Scratch. This does work on Scratch, although it's Turbo Walk, but it still does work on Scratch. I'll show you how to. I'll show you how to like post it to Scratch as well. Okay, so what you are gonna do is get a when green flag clicked or whatever input you want. So like let's say if you want it to like so let's say if you want it to happen once you've got a message, you can do that. So you can do that as well. You can do any
Wait a minute.
guys, I'm recording. So you can do like any input to activate the code. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to use when green flag clicked. Okay, so then we need to go control and then forever. And then we need about like 4 this friends. So just get 2 of them. Papa, stop teasing the dogs. Stop teasing them. How do I copy this thing? Loki forgot, so I'm just gonna copy it like that. Put it down, put it in the forever loop, and then what we need is this is quite a long script, so just pay a lot of attention to this, okay? So we need censored here. So first we are going to be going right. So I recommend when right key pressed or so go to operators and get an or, put right key pressed into the first one or the second boolean, and then you need if key D pressed. So if you don't like using arrow keys, you can literally just click D and it will still work, just it was a different key. So pop that in there. Okay, so then we need to go to variables and name 2 more. First, let's delete this one because we don't really need that. So go to variables, make a variable and name it player X, or you could do player plus X. You could name it anything just as long as it had the X in it. It's just not something inappropriate. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do player X. And then for spirits, we don't really need cloud verb. Yeah, we don't. And then click OK. And then in here, we need to make it change player X by just 1. Okay? That's the speed. So if you like set it to 100, it'll go crazy fast. Like, it's not working at the moment though, because we're not really doing it at the moment. So, then let's just copy this script, duplicate it, and then put it in if then. And then we need left arrow clicked or A clicked. So then we need to do change player X by -1. So let's back to it. Okay. So once you've done that, what you want to do is make another variable and name it player X. I mean player Y. Or whatever you want, just so long as it's got the Y in it. And so like name whatever you named this guy on the whatever you named this guy, just make sure it's that. I mean I'm gonna name it player Y for this tutorial. Player Y. Make sure it's player Y. And you don't have to do this on Turbo Warp, it's the exact same on Scratch, it just looks a bit different on here because I'm using Turbo Warp, which will make things run a lot faster than Scratch will. So then we need, so these are Y positions, the Y. So for this script, so for these two, yeah, so these are going to change the X position and the X position, you know. the x position is what the distance is, like what, like left or right, that's x, and the y position is up or down. So this is the x, and this is the y. And I don't know if you noticed, but earlier in the video, when I was doing this, because I'm on Turbo Warp and I've got some things added, you can see this is all x, and this is all y. But y only goes down, and x only goes left or right. But if they collide, it's all in the center. Okay, so enough of that yapping. We're gonna do the same thing, but here, instead of doing any of these, we need up arrow, or we need S. S is quite far, but not as far as W, I don't think. Yeah, no, not as far as W. Okay, so we need up arrow. No, we need down arrow or S. My bad, sorry guys. And then change. What's it? I kind of forgot what I needed to do here. I can remember it. So going down, we're going to need to change it by -1. I do remember, I think. Just make sure if it is -1. Yeah, -1. Go down. And then duplicate this. Oh, no, we don't want to run it. We're going to duplicate this, put it in there. Duplicate this and put it in here, but by 1. And change these to up arrow and W. So we're going to go all the way down to W. Yep. And change the player X to player Y. And once you've done that, it won't work still because we need to go to, oh god. We need to go to motion and then move, and then I think it was change X by, so this is all by itself, so change X by, change X by player X, so we need change X by player X, and then change Y by player Y. Change Y, so change Y by player Y. So that's what's going to make it like move all about, but that's not going to work still because we still need to put, what was it? Yes, set player X to player X 0.8. It might be a bit more, it might be a bit, but I'll show you what I'm on. So set player X to player X 0.8. So this is the script that you need for player X. Then just pop it in underneath player X. And we'll duplicate it, put it under player Y, get rid of this one. And then set it to player Y to player Y. Put it here, 0.8. And this should make it go. Okay, so first I need to make it go to 0, 0. 0, 0. Okay, now let's try it. What's going on here? Oh, never mind, it worked. Okay, now I'm just gonna make it like go to 0, 0. Okay, there we go. Yeah, look, now your movement works. And if you switch this to like something about 5, it's quite fast 5 is. But I'll show you what it's like. So it's a bit fast, look. So all these numbers is your speed apart from 0.8 and 0.8. So yeah, this is all part of a tutorial today. Oh wait, one thing, I did say I was going to show you how to do that. So look, if you do this, so look, it'll say green flag clicked. It should say green flag clicked, but look how goddamn fast that is. I did say it was quite fast. So I like to stick to just the one. Stick to one. Stick to one. You don't have to do it in the order, but just make sure that they still have the same script. Okay, redo it. and when it one photograph. Okay, so now what you want to do is go to File, and then Package Project, and then you want to do so project title, rename it to, I don't know, Scratch Tutorial 1. You can do it to whatever you want, but we don't need to do this. Show progress bar, on screen text, loading scripts, control stuff, background color, make me red. I want this to be like solid grey. Effect color, green. Uh, you can select no cursor if you want, so your cursor is your mouse, but I need it on for this. And then what you want to do is click package, I think, yeah, file name package. And then what you want to do is you want to go to Scratch, okay, go to Scratch, and then go to, I lucky forgot how to do it. So, yeah, file, and then load from your computer, downloads, and where was it? Is it in personal? Is it in desktop? Is it document? Where did I save it to? Okay, let me just go back because doing this is quite important and also quite tricky at the same time. So file name, downloads. Oh, I didn't click save. Okay, now that it's there, I'm gonna click save. Not save to computer. So look, you can see right it's there. And then you want to do load from your computer, downloads, and then download, and then insert the one that you've just done. Yes, that was just testing it here. And once it's set to in, it's not. Okay, so load from your computer to do that. Okay. I don't know what it's doing, but yeah, some reason not working. Okay. Yeah, it's not doing because maybe if I go here, see here. Okay, so this is what should happen. This is what you should start to see. For some reason, it's not saving until here. Reset all settings. Page. Downloads. Save. Go from your computer. Downloads. Title one. Okay. Still not worked. What if I go to create new project? Make a new project in a main Scratch. File. Load from your computer. Untitled one. Open. Okay. Oh yeah, it is working, but it just keeps saying different. But anyways, yeah, that's how you do it in this tutorial. Hold on, let me try going to a different account. I have lots of them from my friends. That's not my girlfriend. That's some like random account my friend gave me. My brother's account. Incorrect username and password. He deleted it. Oh. Let me change this. Okay, I'm just gonna go into my main. I think once deleted. Oh, two messages. Anyways, let's go to new project. Load from your computer. Title done. Yes. Okay, it's always wanting to be set to this, so whatever script I put into there, you can just copy. Don't copy all this. You can do it in Turbo Warp if you really must. But yeah, that's the end of today's tutorial. And I will share this project on Scratch. So if you're new to this channel and you're wondering what I'm doing, I normally do like gaming things, I code sometimes. But now I'm gonna move on to coding. And if you want to see me make a game in Turbo Warp, just click on the video on the screen about like right here in this box somewhere. And I will see you in the next video. So I will share this. So I've got proof for you. Yep, shared. So I will see you in the next video. And that's all I've got for this one. So see you in the next one. Bye.